Welcome to the Golf Spotlight. I'm Ralph Irvin, and today we are talking about the best way to get onto the green. And to do that, we'll talk laser rangefinders with Bushnell, and I'm here with Scott Peterson. Scott, thanks for joining me.
Thank you for having me on.
Last year, you guys introduced the V3 with Jolt, and I mean, that really changed how laser rangefinders work because it could tell you such precise measurements and really let you be comfortable with the measurement. This year, you've got an improvement on that model.
Yeah, what I have here is the new Tour Z6 Jolt. Laser rangefinder is now half yard accurate, still ranging out 450 yards to a flag, 1,300 yards at any object on the course. But we still have that Jolt technology like we did in the V3, so it's going to vibrate when it hits the flag, eliminating any doubt that you're getting a tree or anything like that in the background. You're locked onto the flag, and the yardage you see in the rangefinders to the flag. And the other thing that we improved on this as well too is the magnification. So higher magnification than the V3, so you're going to be able to see closer, see better exactly what you're ranging to, exactly the target that you're getting the distance on.
And then on top of that, you have a new viewfinder that's easier to see as well.
It is. So there's a bright red display. There's 4 user settings. So in low light conditions, you can turn it down. In the middle of the day, you crank it up. You get a bright red display. Any lighting condition, you're going to be able to see that readout real easy.
Now, for the Tour Pros, they've also got an improvement on what they've been using for the last couple years with the new X7.
We do. So here what I have is the new Pro X7. What I call is it's military-grade laser rangefinder. We have a rangefinder that's very similar to this, basically set up for different target acquisition, but we sold a lot of these into the military last year. U.S. Army military-grade laser rangefinder. We tweaked it to be able to pick up flags on the course, trees, different objects you're going to see, but same durable construction, 100% waterproof. You can put it underwater for over an hour, going to come out ranging with it, ranges out to 1 mile, 550 yards to a flag, and still give you a half-yard accuracy. So an extreme product for the guys on top of their game who really need dependable, durable laser rangefinder. I mean, this is the rangefinder. More than 90% of the guys on tour are using this rangefinder right here. They use the slope version during their practice rounds to be able to mark up the yardage books, give them the precise yardages they need on their Thursday through Sunday rounds.
But it's not just laser rangefinders here at Bushnell, because they also have a lot of GPS offerings, and for that I'm joined by Terry Mears. Terry, you've got GPS available for Bushnell, but it's right there, right in your wrist.
Well, I got to tell you, the wrist-worn devices have really taken off, whether it's fitness or any other type of activity. But in the golf market especially, we own the rangefinder business, and we got into GPS some years back, but it's really taken off since we developed a really incredible golf watch. And we're introducing today the Neo XS.
Well, and it comes preloaded with more than a few courses.
That is true. We have 33,000 plus courses, always adding to that database, and it's in over 30 countries. So for the U.S. market, if you're traveling abroad, more than likely we probably have the course that you're going to play at. Front, center, back distances, and up to 4 hazards per hole.
Well, and that's the important part, is because one thing that you get as an advantage with having a GPS device is distance to maybe something that you can't measure with a laser, like a bunker or a lake.
That is true. Some courses have the 90-degree rule. You can't necessarily get right over your ball and hit the laser. You can get a pretty good estimate to know what clubs to pull out with the GPS device. And our devices are just getting more and more accurate that way as well.
Well, and if people want more information about everything from Bushnell, whether it's laser rangefinders or GPS, where can they get that online?
Just go to www.bushnellgolf.com. It's a real simple, easy website. Navigate way through it, and there's lots of information right there.
All right. Thanks, Terry, for joining me.
All right. Thank you very much.
I want to thank Scott Peterson and Terry Mills for joining us here on the Golf Spotlight. Join us next time as we continue to give you the information that you need for your next golf purchase.